So why am I telling you this? There's a lot of things you want to do in life. The idea may come to you, but you may shove it off. And all I'm saying is it may be worth taking the risk and go figuring out if this is something that you want to do. It may be, it may not be. For example, on this bicycle trip was extremely fucking hard. Extremely hard. It really took the most out of us, and everyday riding. If it rained, there was spiders everywhere. It was like a jungle in there. Um, but parts of the trail were beautiful as well. And what I mean by that is, there was parts where we're up pedaling 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, and you look up and the stars were out there like, wow. I mean, it's so amazing. There's no noise pollution, no light pollution. Um, Other parts about seeing all kinds of different animals, multiple snakes, so many bunnies, rabbits, beautiful butterflies, beautiful birds, red color, blue color, beautiful flowers. Just meet a lot of cool people that start their own business, that wanted to get away from the hustle and bustle. Um, so the journey was extremely fucking hard. I'm just sitting here, just gonna sit down. I still got another 2 hour ride. It's probably like 10, 11 o'clock. I'm making this video. I'm probably not gonna get home till like 3 to 4. Been riding all day today, all day yesterday, but I'm not complaining. It's extremely fucking hard. I have calluses everywhere you could imagine. My hands, my feet, my butt, and so on. And what I'm trying to say is that go out there and chase your dreams because you can do it. This is America. So many people in different countries don't have these options, but you do. You live here, and you definitely pay all these taxes. So why not go and enjoy it and make the most out of it besides just working 9 to 5 or coming home and watching TV. Let them tell you what to think, how to think, etc. Anyways, don't take no for an answer. Go chase your dreams. You live once. And it doesn't have to cost a lot of money to chase your dreams. It could be totally for fucking free or just sweat equity. Um, and go see America. Thanks, guys. See you later. I bicycled 270 miles round trip from White Rock Lake to Paris, Texas. This is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and I want to share with you my adventures from bicycling from White Rock Lake, which is downtown Dallas, all the way to Paris, Texas on my bicycle. Not a motorcycle or anything like that, on a bicycle. It was me and Soraya. And the first time we went from here and we went all the way down there. Even though this is 100 miles, 101 miles, we detoured around and we ate at different spots. But I just wanted to show you how does it look like, guys. From starting off from right here, okay, let's see here. White Rock right there, and then bicycling all the way down to Paris, Texas. And then when we came back, then we took the 19 route, and we came this direction, guys, from Blossom down. And we went different areas. But when I added it all up, the miles, because we got lost, it was 270 miles plus, okay? And I'm keeping it on the lower end instead of over end, guys. And let me tell you guys that me or Soraya didn't even own bikes. We just bought a bike and we went. Everyone told us we couldn't do it. The bicycle shops, we went to different bicycle shops. Everyone, my parents, my friends, everyone said, "Oh, this is crazy. You guys can't do it." Soraya never owned a bicycle or bicycled. I bicycled from college because I didn't have a car. I mean, I had a car, I just didn't have money to put in the gas because I was living off $25 a week. So I used to bicycle everywhere. But after college, I sold my bicycle and I hadn't been on a bike for God knows 7, 8, 9 years. So we bought a bike, and we say, you know what, we're going to do this. Now, here's the lesson that I want you to learn from this to apply to your life or to your business, guys. That, and I'll let you listen to the video that I made that night. So let me let you listen to it exactly the way I was thinking.